Debt collectors are forging court orders. 1. A new wave of debt collection fraud. Across the country, debt collectors and even law offices that are really just collection agencies have been caught forging court orders to steal money from consumers. So what does that actually mean? It means they skip the entire legal process, create fake court judgments, and use them to freeze bank accounts, garnish wages, and even place liens on homes. Many victims never knew they were sued because they never were. The paperwork was never real. Footnote: this section explains the rise of fake court orders used to collect debt illegally. 2. How the scam actually works. Collectors already know who owes a debt. Instead of filing a lawsuit, serving you, and going to court, they simply create forged court documents that pretend a judge issued a judgment. These documents often include fake case numbers, fake seals, and fake judge signatures. Banks and employers rarely verify them, so they accept them as real and start taking your money. This is how illegal garnishments, levies, and liens happen without warning. Footnote: this section shows how forged documents trick banks and employers into illegal actions. 3. Why victims don't realize what happened. Most people assume a bank wouldn't levy my account unless the court approved it. But banks don't always check. Employers don't check either. Counties often don't check liens, and consumers rarely know how to search court records. That's why forged cases slip through unnoticed. Many victims believe they must have missed a court date, even when no real case ever existed. Footnote: this section explains why victims blame themselves instead of spotting the fraud. 4. Your first steps if money was taken. If your wages are garnished, your bank account is hit, or your home suddenly shows a lien, you must move fast. Demand the court paperwork from the bank, your employer, or the county. Then check your local court website to confirm whether the case number even exists. If you are never served, or the case does not appear in court records, the action is illegal. This gives you the right to challenge the levy, stop the garnishment, and prepare for legal action. Footnote: this section outlines your immediate steps to verify and challenge fraudulent actions. 5. How to reverse the damage. If you were never legally served, the judgment must be vacated. If the documents were forged, you can sue the collector, the law office, your employer, and even the bank for negligence. Federal benefits are fully protected, and touching them is illegal under any circumstance. With the right attorney, you can recover lost wages, levied funds, damages, attorney fees, and have all related credit reporting erased. Some cases even trigger disciplinary action or loss of law licenses. Footnote: this section explains why victims can recover money and force the wrongdoers to be punished. 6. Why a paper trail wins cases. A lawyer will take these cases on contingency, but only if you have documentation. That means bank letters, garnishment notices, forged judgments, employer letters, lien filings, and proof of money taken. The stronger your paper trail, the larger the potential payout. Many consumers end up winning back everything taken, plus thousands in punitive damages for fraud. Footnote: this section shows why documentation determines whether you win or lose. 7. The bottom line. Forged court orders are becoming a common tactic because collectors know most consumers never check court records. But once you expose the fraud, the law swings heavily in your favor. You can reverse every part of the damage, restore your accounts, clear your credit, and hold the debt collector and anyone who cooperated fully accountable. Footnote: this section reminds you that forged court orders are illegal and fully challengeable.